We're celebrating Heritage Day today.
Oh, yes!
But what is heritage? Just heritage. Inoba besiXhoseni okanye apha esintwini singathi yintoni? Lilifa. Namhlanje sibhiyoza ilifa lethu lobuntu bethu. Now, ilifa kukweli gama ke funeka unive. Kukho ukufa apha kwilifa. Kukho umntu onyanzeleke uba afe zele wena uzuze. Mamela, imbewu xa ifaka emhlabeni uyayibulala, ife, ihlume.
Amen. Amen.
When you plant a seed, you allow it to go through the process of death. And through that process of death, it gains life. In every death, there is a life. Ukufa yinzalo yobomi. Listen, ukufa yinzalo yobomi.
Amen.
Every death is the beginning of a new life.
Yes.
Now, when we are celebrating our heritage, let us be cognizant of the fact that we are celebrating death in order to allow new life. This is what we should be celebrating. The origins zalemini lena, we can hear ukuthi in history, it was because uDingane, uMhlakane, noMbopha kaSithayi, they killed uShaka on this day. And it started as a commemoration of King Shaka. Later on, people complained, it's not inclusive. In that, but no. Let it be a heritage day to celebrate everybody. Amabhulu akhala bathi thina nisishiyelani. Namhlanje siyayazi kuthiwa yi-National Bride Day. Yeah. Now, ndicela thina singade sifike kule nto ethi Bride Day. Masiphelele kule nto ethi heritage. Sikhumbule ukufa kwethu ngoba ufa unyaka ngoku. AmaXhosa le nto kuthiwa yintwasonyaka okanye bathi yinibejari. Yinibejari. Inibejari yethu kwaXhosa thini lapha ku-August. Ngale nyanga kuthiwa ngumsintsi. Before August, end of July, abeSuthu they celebrate their new year. Bathi libisi liwenzi. Ngoku intombi zakwaZulu ziyemhlangeni. New year kwaZulu eMangunini. It means now, this is the process of our national death. We must all die. Die from what? Let us die from that which holds us back. Let's die from a false history. Let's die from a traumatic past. Let's die from a stressful reality and existence and be born again into what we truly are. Singabantu.
Yes.
Eligama lithi mntu, muntu, bantu. Untu. Nanti apha phezulu. It's the universe with the galaxy and the planets and the stars. We are not only abantu benyama. Singabantu bomkhathi. This is why siphupha. It means we are astral beings. This is why we can travel in the astral world. Singabantu bomoya. This is why we exist spiritually. Singabantu benyama. This is why sibonana sibambana. Singabantu bengoma. And this is why this thing makes us move. Rhythm makes us live. Harmony makes us come together. Ubuntu bethu is beyond what we see. Masife. This one share no message. Let us all die. Just go to namhlanje xa singene ezigubeni sithi siyalala ifa namhlanje ufe koba buxoki ubusixelela bona izolo ufe kulanhlupheko ubuphila kuyo kulangcwalekho ukhala ngayo ifa ukuze ke ngoku uphile kabusha uphile usisidalo esitsha esingumuntu opheleleyo. Happy Heritage Day bantu bakuthi.